Hey, this is Sam from Shure. In this video tutorial, I'm going to pick back up on the select from frequency list topic and show you how, even without backup frequencies, you can choose to replace a frequency of one of your systems in need in a runtime environment. In previous videos, I've discussed the select from frequency list feature, which allows you to reach into a CFL or a compatible frequency list, look at the backup frequencies that are available, and pick a suitable one to deploy to a channel in need. In this scenario, I want to cover a feature that it maybe is little known, but I think has merit in particular situations. If you need a new backup frequency for one of your channels is really hurting, getting stepped on by interference or something, but there are no backup frequencies available. So here's my setup. I've got President and Vice President Obama and Biden set up. Those are my channels online. And I've coordinated frequencies. In fact, let me just deploy these. And as you know, when you deploy frequencies to online channels, those frequencies get set right away. And also I'm setting my CFL, or my compatible frequency list, with all of these backup frequencies as well to my Spectrum Manager for later management. So I'll deploy those frequencies and that all gets sent away. And now we're in a runtime environment. And here's my Obama channel, and we're doing a line check or setting up before the show, and everything looks good. But let's say something happens, and for whatever reason we decide this frequency is no longer suitable for Obama. We need to pick a new frequency. Well, as the previous tutorial videos have showcased, you can look at the select from frequency list function to show all of the available backups that could be suitable for Obama's channel. Now, I know I've got some backups here, but let's imagine for a second there was a problem. Either all these backup frequencies were in a degraded state, meaning that they weren't suitable for use, or I just ran out of them. I didn't have any. Well, if I need a new frequency for Obama, our philosophy is it's better to take a frequency from a secondary channel in use as opposed to not having a frequency at all, which is why we've added this in use tab. And the spirit of it is this. If one channel is going to go down, I would rather make sure my money talent, the most important channel, has a clean frequency, even if that means swapping frequencies with another secondary channel. Now, poor Joe Biden. I picked President, Vice President as a clear hierarchy to see which channels you'd rather have clean frequencies for, but the same could be true for a money talent and a backup singer, or anything of the sort like that. So the way that I can choose to look at in-use frequencies is by just selecting this tab. And similar to the Backups tab, where only frequencies suitable for this particular channel will be shown, the same is true for in-use. Any channels that are in use but of the same type as the frequency in question, in this case Obama, will be listed here. So you'll notice Obama's at 526, Biden's at 482. If I choose Biden's frequency, I can choose this option to swap to a selected frequency, and doing so will simply swap frequencies between Obama and Biden in this case. So when I swap, you'll notice Obama goes to 482.475, and there we go. Now you'll notice, thanks to ShowLink about the Axion system, my transmitter followed suit. So both receiver and transmitter jumped to this new frequency. And now if we look at Biden, he is sitting on the old frequency, the 526 that Obama was on just a second ago. So this is a little bit of a different use case, but when you're in a pinch and you need a clean frequency for your money talent, selecting from an in-use channel can maybe be the thing that saves the show. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you've got any questions or comments, or you'd like to see different aspects or features around selecting backup frequencies and deploying them to channels, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. Thanks.